Research shows that the classroom learning environment can have a significant impact on student learning and teacher performance. In order for students to productively struggle with important mathematics, they must be taught in an environment that promotes and supports risk-taking and inventive problem solving.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Come on up, come on up. Go up to the board. She came up with a different method than the three groups up there right now. Listen to what she's saying.
Instead of just going through all the equation again, just go, since it tells you that Toshihiko is 4 more and times 2 than Kyoko, then you do times 2 equals 50, and then plus the 4 equals 54, and that's Toshihiko's H.
Very nice job. You get that better. Nice. It's very important to provide different varieties and opportunities for students to interact with each other. I really do believe in cooperative groups. It gives me the opportunity to walk around, to informally assess the students, and that way I can see where to go next, or perhaps maybe differentiate the instruction at that time based on the information that I'm gathering as I walk around. I also think it's very important to do independent work so that I can assess formally the student trying to complete one of the problems and attempt the problem and see what steps they're taking and if my instruction assisted in that process to solve the problem. I also don't want to keep the children bored. It's very important for the children to be able to move around and participate so that they're engaged in the lesson the entire time. Now, I don't want you to tell me yet. We're going to see what Danielle's got to say, and then maybe she can identify the word answer to this word problem.
Students need the opportunity to make sense of the mathematics being taught. Secondary and elementary school students must feel comfortable enough in their learning environment to experiment with different problem-solving techniques and arrive at strategies that are both mathematically sound and that fit within their understanding. This is a process steeped in trial and error. Therefore, the learning environment must promote the idea that it is okay to make mistakes, as mistakes are very often the stepping stone for success.
Okay. Go ahead, continue working.
Oh, God. Where is it? Where's the line? Okay, wait. Estimating.
So when the students are learning this way and they are not given any rules and they are not given how to figure it out, and they are going to take a little bit longer to figure it out on their own. But you have to be the facilitator and stand back and allow them to think through that process.
Put it there at the end. Stretch it out. Wait. Stretch it out.
Let's go. Put it in your hand and hold it. Can't let it go too hard.
Stop moving it. Okay, hold it right there. Don't move it.
Hold it, don't move.
Hold it right there.
All right, Natalie's measuring. Yeah.
Okay.
Pablo measuring.
36, 236. Wait,
The students need to take ownership and figure it out for themselves. They used the tools that they felt were the best for the activity. They were given pencils, string, yardsticks, all those things were made available to them. However, there was no right or wrong tool to use. So I left it up to them in order to figure it out. And once they figured out which tool worked best for them, then I just supported them in that decision and allowed them to make their own decisions.